So in this video we're going to look at a way to factorise quadratics where the a value is greater than 1. So we've got a 3x squared one here, a 6x squared one here and a 5x squared one here. Now this can be quite a long-winded way when trying to factorise. So this method hopefully can speed things up a little bit. Let's see how we go. So let's look at this one first. 3x squared plus 11x plus 6. So what we do first of all, the a value, we multiply with the c value and take this one away. So then what that would be is if we go x squared plus 11x and then times this 6 by 3. So that gives us 18. So now what we do is we look at factors of 18 which can sum to 11. So we've got 1 and 18, that's no good. 2 and 9. Okay, so we've come across it straight away. 2 and 9 looks good. So 2 plus 9 is 11. So now what I write is x plus 2, x plus 9. Okay, now that's not our answer. What we've got to do now is do something with this 3 that we multiply with this 6. So what we do is, as we multiply this by 3, we divide all of these by 3. So now I've got x plus 2/3 and x plus 3. Okay, so now we've got one more stage to go. What we need to do now is get integers for our numbers in the factors. So here we've got x plus 2/3. So if we multiply inside here by 3, we'll get 3x. Then multiply this by 3, we'll end up with 2. And then here we've got integers already with an x plus 3, so that's finished. And that is our final result for factorising that. So I'll leave you to check the result of that one. Now let's have a look at this time. So we got 6x squared plus 7x plus 2. So this one here, we've got a value is 6, so multiply 6 with 2. So then that becomes x squared plus 7x, and then 6 2's are 12. Okay, so now we want factors of 12 that sum to 7. So let's just do our setup. So x and x. So now 12 is 12 and 1, and we've got 6 and 2. That's no good. And then we've got 4 and 3. 4 and 3 looks good. 4 and 3 sums to 7. So we've got x plus 4, x plus 3. Okay, right. Now we used a 6 here to multiply this, so now we need to divide these by 6. So then that will give us x plus 4 over 6, which is 2/3, and divide this by 6, I'll end up with x plus a half. So that takes care of that. Now we need to get rid of the fractions of these numbers here inside the brackets. So I've got 2/3 here. It's the same thing as we did here. Multiply by 3, multiply by 3. So then I'll have 3x plus 2. This one I've just got x plus a half. So here I need to multiply by 2. So multiply that by 2, multiply that by 2. I'll end up with 2x plus 1. And that will be my factorisation taken care of for that one. So I'm going to leave you guys to check the result of that one. Okay, now let's have a look at this one. So now we've got a 5 here. So now I need to multiply this one with 5. So I'll then get x squared plus 28x plus 5 times 15 is 75. Now 75, quite a big number, but we've got quite a big value here of 28. So we want factors of 75, that's sum to 28. So let's do our setup. So we've got an x and an x. Find out where we've got pluses or minuses to go here. So 75, let's go through it. 75 and 1, no good. 25 and 3. 25 and 3 looks promising. 25 plus 3 is 28. So put that inside there. So x plus 25 and x plus 3. So that will give us that. So now what have we done here? We've multiplied this by 5. So now we need to divide these by 5. So dividing that by 5, I'll have x plus 5. Divide this one by 5, I'll have x plus 3/5. Okay, now for the final stage, turn these into integers. Well, x plus 5 is already an integer, so that's good to go. And x plus 3/5, so to get rid of this 3/5, multiply by 5, so I've got 5x plus 3. And that will give me my answer for my quadratic factorisation of this one. And I'm going to leave that with you guys to check for the result. Okay.